Crank up the music, turn up the heat. I can feel that fire burning in my feet. I'm getting ready, and it's getting loud. That wooden dance floor is calling out my name right now. DJ, play me a Morgan Wallen song, 'cause I got my whiskey glasses on, and I came here to dance.
What we have here? Hi.
Troublemakers.
I want one.
So you get one when you go to YouTube features?
This is
Okay.
A recording, right? You are doing that, correct?
11:30.
11? I passed. I like
pass. What's that mean?
11:30.
I'm leading. Good job. Awesome.
I see you looking at me from the corner of the room. No need to hide it, girl, I can see you too. Let's go and bite off more than we can chew. There's something stirring up inside my soul. Ready, set, let's go. 'Cause I came here to dance. I came here to dance. I came here to dance. Come on, came here to dance. So hold on tight and take my hand. I came here to dance. Yeah, yeah. I came here to dance, dance. I came here to dance. So grab a hold and take my hand. I came here to dance.
See, that's respect right here. Thank you. Where you go? I don't know where I'm going. Let's go this way. Excuse me. Go get out of the way.